Fala aí galera, tudo bem? Então, voltei, Feliz Natal e... tudo bom com vocês? Bom, hoje eu tô trazendo um vídeo novo sobre Natal, obviamente, né, nessa época do ano. E eu e minha família, a gente foi num passeio, foi num bosque que você só pode entrar lá de carro. E todas as árvores de lá são iluminadas, tipo, tem vários desenhos diferentes nas árvores. E é muito legal mesmo, muito bonito. E você sintoniza o seu rádio do carro com a mesma sintonia das árvores, do bosque. E meio que, se você perceber os desenhos das árvores são sincronizados com a música, então é muito legal isso. Eu vou deixar o vídeo aí com vocês e Feliz Natal pra todo mundo. E eu acho que eu vou fazer algum vídeo de ano novo, então até mais.
Let me turn the heat up?
Perm?
No.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Like you're not
Are
cold?
you dead?
Please don't.
Year's Light Tour runs every night through January 10th. For Saskatoon residents, the BHP Billiton Enchanted Forest has become a Christmas tradition and the place to bring visiting friends and relatives over and who one day will defeat the disease.
Oh, you
Vienna's
paid- it's
clinical research
prepaid.
chair
Yeah, I
will be
paid for
arguing
that
to the
at
community.
Safeway.
The Saskatoon Zoo Foundation has launched a campaign to build a one-of-a-kind
There we go.
attraction-themed La Carnivore Trail. Not only will there be new homes
So
for the
pretty.
wolves,
They're on both sides, you know.
foxes, and
Just not yet.
the new attraction will feature a glass viewing tunnel to get up close, nose to nose with the animals. For more information or to donate,
I want to be nose to nose to animals. I like animals.
Both foundations,
Noah's Ark.
thank you for your support.
They have that up every. How do they manage? Like, these would be so hard to get up.
Supposed to be fireworks.
Look, Noah's
And
Ark.
then, yeah, Noah's Ark.
I thought they moved it.
Maybe they must have changed. Gateway to the north. Okay, now they're going to be on both sides.
Oh, look. Huskies. None of it. For none of it. Igloo.
See, igloos, that's what people think we live in Saskatoon.
What?
Yeah,
Canada.
well, in Canada.
Serious?
Yeah. They think that most of us live in igloos. And we have no power and no nothing. And
No, they practically.
you think Canada? I thought they thought more that it's
No,
Saskatchewan.
Canada. We all of Canada. Pay attention.
Time for that after. Santa's workshop. Are you taking a picture? You want me to stop?
Oh, it's okay.
Unroll the window.
You should.
It's already
You should take a video.
I'm videotaping.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
It's coming up. There's going to be both sides now. Did you get that?
Yeah, football.
Yeah.
Did you get that?
We have that. Last time, did they?
Yeah.
Oh, and then see, here's our Rough Rider team. There's, well, our Rough Riders.
Springette. Whoa.
Where?
Springette. Right there.
That's not like that.
Well,
That's curly.
oh yeah, curling. I'm mixing up Springette and curling. I like more than just one color. Of course you would think that, Nicholas.
I don't know even why.
I know.
It's not light up the players.
No, because they're going to reset. Because it's curling.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So they gotta reset.
It goes back.
nice.
Hockey.
Yep, she's walking.
Hockey. Poinsettia. Oh, I got that without even reading it. I just know Canada really well.
Yeah,
With the-
it
with
does. It's
the
very
light.
dull, but
But then with the light too.
it just glows.
That looks nice.
Yeah.
It's like a soft glow. There's reindeer. I like these two. These white ones.
Oh, look, there's a peacock.
She's so nice. And it looks nice on the tree, like the bushes and the trees.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have any frost like the other one does. Candy cane lane.
I like the candy cane. Oh, there's candy there. No. Oh, candy. Thank you.
Aren't you glad you didn't miss this, Julian?
Really good. Yeah.
Poor guy, drag him out, he's sick.
Oh,
When you
look,
enter the
there's a
forest,
stocking coming
please
up.
remember to turn off or dim your
What?
driving
There's a
lights
stocking
and
coming.
drive at a steady pace. For safety
Lollipop.
reasons, no stopping or getting out of your
Stocking.
Oh, look,
vehicle.
a tree.
Look at
As
the
you
red one
drive
over
through
there.
Yeah.
a nearly 3-kilometer forest road,
Nice.
you
A
will
Christmas
marvel at more than 70
stocking.
custom-built
That's
light
what we
displays,
get. We
such as
get
the 12
our
Days of
stockings
Christmas.
filled on Christmas.
The tree of
I love
bells.
these.
Yeah.
Look at fairies, here's the fairy
I
tree.
got it right. I got it right. I got fairies right. Oh, look, there's buffalo. Oh, and there's a hawk. Or is that an eagle? Is that an eagle or a hawk?
I think it's a hawk.
Oh, I got it right.
No,
That's
that's
an
an eagle.
Eagle?
Yeah.
Well, I said either eagle or hawk. So I got it right anyway.
Sorry. What?
Ooh, what's this? A toy tree?
No, I think it's the candy tree.
Oh, it's candy tree. No,
Nope.
not candy tree. Oh, it's a Christmas tree.
Just a simple Christmas tree. Big tree up around
I got it right, a Christmas tree. The three French chickens, and what do you call those? The birds. Those look parrots. The parrots.
Yeah, there are parrots.
Oh, look over there. Oh, look. The five. Oh, the five golden rings. The five golden rings and the geese. Oh, look it over here. The seven swans swimming.
Or just one.
Seven swans swimming. You're gonna miss that. Oh, milking. The 8 maids milking. Oh, look at the dancers.
This one.
Oh, the tips are like green. The tips are red. Oh, look at the dancers. Well, like, they look a little bit red back there. Oh, it's because of the light. Never mind. I was going to say the tips of the tree look a little bit red because of the light reflecting. The dancers. 9 ladies dancing. Ooh, the 10 lords skipping. I say skipping. Oh, ooh. The 11 pipers peeping. What's that?
Isn't that that song?
Jinxie.
Is that a song?
I think it is.
Look, there's a thing that a plaque there.
Oh, I'm almost missing the 12 drummers.
12 drummers drumming.
Well, that's what I was kind of wondering.
What?
Did somebody pay to have that there and take them through and then...
That would be a kind of a...
Actually, that would be pretty cool.
The town of Bethlehem.
No, but that could be a nickname.
Yeah.
Look at the tree there.
The red.
It's changing.
It's changing. Oh, it's
Look,
changing.
little town of Bethlehem. Look, the tree, it changed. The tree changes. The tree changes.
Doesn't change. No, it's sweet.
It's changing
What's
color.
that one?
That one doesn't change color.
Oh, and these ones are like, they're pretty, but they're hard to look at.
I can handle. I
roll
can.
down to.
Oh,
Prairie dog.
is that good enough?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Ooh, look at that. Look, there's a moose.
Tree here.
Whoa.
Oh, I can see that. Perfect. Hopping rabbit. Hopping rabbit. Oh, look at the moose. The hopping rabbit. Look. Watch.
Eat it. Do it.
See?
Come on, do it.
It's
Yeah.
hopping, 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 hopping. There's actually rabbits that hop here. Out here. There's a jackrabbit in the morning on last Thursday. I saw the music video to this on TV with kids. Oh, look. What?
You never know if there wasn't enough support.
Every year,
There, these
the
ones.
forest lights attract thousands
Yeah,
of
that's
visitors
beautiful.
from throughout the province
Feels
and
even worse than like way more than that.
See, look at the frost on the.
this wonderful province for many years to come. We hope you enjoyed the light tour, and we take this opportunity to wish you and your family a safe and happy holiday.
Look at like, how do they get
Thank
all
you
of
to
these
Alex
lights up
and
there?
BHP Billeted. The Enchanted Forest would not be possible
Look at the
without the
tree
outstanding
and-
support of BHP Billeted.
On the top.
As a sponsor, and hopefully for many years to
Ooh,
come.
look, snowflake.
Their first major sponsorship was the
This is pretty.
2010
Like, this is your last year.
Oh, look at the juggling snowman. Feliz Navidad.
Send it home?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Now you can sleep and dream of
Feliz
snowflakes
Navidad.
and
Prospero año felicidad.
trees and candies and snowman.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry... Ooh, it's Eddie, the elf. Hey, Nick, where's your friend? Does he work at the North Pole?
Works up in
Well, I think he's got another job as Santa's helper.
This is why
According
you.
to this, he works at United Rentals.
What?
I said, according to this, he works at United Rentals.
Yeah, according to this, he works with Santa.
It lights up.
Beep.